We can't be in this lane. What's wrong? I don't want to be behind that truck. What's the big deal? It's a log truck. So what? What if the logs fall off? That'll never happen. We're about to fall. Maybe you were right. Get away from it. I need to switch lanes. I think we're safe now. You can't get away from me. It's following us. I can't get away from it. We're free. Let's get them. They're coming right towards us. Just hold on. We're alive. They all missed. You forgot about me. Are you okay back there? I don't think so.